giving beauty shop vibes,
You
so
basically
enjoy.
Hello.
Stiff wear. You see me. Act like you ain't see me.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Baddest bras in the city. That's all I'm hitting. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Hundreds and fifties. That's all.
That's all of Destiny. I'm about to get my wig installed by D-Side yet again. So today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. Let's get into the details of this wig. So this is a clean bleached frontal real HD lace, and it has the clean hairline. It is 100% human hair. So I'm going to move the adjustable straps towards the center for a more snug fit. We also have the combs and a removable elastic band. For this install, my sister Boone is going to remove the elastic band. But if you want to do a glueless method, definitely keep this on. Y'all, look at this hairline. We don't have to bleach the knots. We don't have to do any plucking. This is the brown cherry kinky straight wig. The length is 20 inches. The density is 150%. Also inside of the bag we have our rat tail comb. They also included some lashes. We have the wig caps, edge scarf, a few clippy clips, and a thank you card. You all can use coupon code Destiny40 or Destiny15 to save money on your purchase. Y'all know how I do. Y'all be like, your hair growing, oh my god. Just keep wearing your wigs and don't wash your braids until you're done wearing wigs. Get into it. Don't take my advice. I got snacks too. Shout out to D-Side for the snack section. And I got hair in my chin again.
Why it grow so fast?
Oh no.
When you get old, you better not be stubborn and walk around like, honey, I'm natural. I don't like when other women walk around like that. What? So you want them to be, what's the word? Empowered with the
Nah, I ain't just say empowered chin hair. I don't care what you do under your armpits. That's your business. But we're not empowered when chin hair.
Damn.
I got a lot of moles.
You
the
get
older
that from,
I get, the more I get. You know, the guys be mad if I can grow a better beard than them, D-Side.
If it connect,
And then they be, once they connect, they hating on me.
I hate whenever you hear once it's connect.
Once it connect, bruh, shade.
Your beard don't connect. Ain't no connection between us.
None at all.
It's not called. How's a connection between us? You can't even connect with yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Can't even connect your beard. I know you can't connect with me.
Now that I think about it, I don't recall seeing his jersey in the Grizzly store. Your ear not crusted no more.
I put my ointment on. I take like a little bit on a Q-tip and just kind of work it in my affected area.
What for? I know Lincoln ain't playing that. See, that sound like him being with y'all. I gotta reset him when he come home.
We weren't listening to that.
Asking for
I was
extra juice.
Listen.
Papa, let me get
Extra juice.
Papa, let me eat ice cream for dinner.
I did a reset on Monday.
Oh,
well,
yeah.
yesterday. I got so much done. I got my video edited.
You the only one liking to do stuff on Monday.
On Mondays.
You know,
people
folk hate
complain. People hate Mondays. It's like you woke up today.
Yep.
How you hate Monday and you woke up today? But I did my laundry, fresh towels and sheets.
You
maybe
did you
got
put
a
your
little-
laundry up though.
Yeah,
I
I put it up.
oh, okay.
I
You
put
know,
it
fuck
up.
with that laundry, people that chart
Nah,
for
I
3
put
4
my
days.
laundry up.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Yeah, I
enough
put it
right
up.
there.
I reorganized my entire gym clothes drawer. It's giving KonMari method.
It's Eben. This is Eben, the edge control.
Okay, I'll put a B-roll up. Pulled up the weeds in the flower bed.
To be honest, I showed told mom. I said, I hope they could get the weeds up.
Yeah, I said let me get it up. That's really why I waited though.
I want to really see how stuff is.
Yeah, if I just
Right
start
up.
pulling stuff up in the flower bed before it even grew back, I want to know what I'm pulling up. I wanted to let it grow so I can see what's what. Then I pull the weeds out.
Yeah, this one nice little color there.
Yeah, I like when I do color. That's what they wanted to know last time, the kind of shears you was using. Paul Mitchell. That's what that PM stand for? Yeah. Real ones know, D-Side. Graduated from Paul Mitchell. Get into it.
Them eyes stay talking noise. I just like it because it keep a jagged edge when you be cutting. This young pre-plucked thing.
Yeah,
That's what I was telling you.
From the press on?
You know I get my press on from Dollar Tree. The girls don't like that though. They're caught.
See, that's why
And the fuzzies. I got it.
That's why I do the cap.
You keep your braids fresh. You ain't got to worry about it.
You right. I debated getting my braids freshly redone, but I was like, why would I get freshly done braids to cover them up?
I feel it.
I may as well thug it out one more week and then wash my hair.
I'm gonna prank you one day when I be doing your wigs. If you pranking me, I'm gonna purposely. My bad foot.
I was getting a thumbnail.
What's the dude name that Harvey Wade from Star Wars?
I don't watch Star Wars.
Just stop talking. You know our mayor loves Star Wars. We got a Star Wars day here up in Memphis. He already put it in the face.
Girl, I'm just calling around black people know my birthday tomorrow. How y'all doing?
today. My
My
birthday
birthday tomorrow.
You on the forehead today, girl.
New hair, who this? I'm recording though. Some people so annoying. You ever tell somebody bye and they act like they don't know what that means?
Yo, mom. That's who. Call you back, mom, in this toilet. Oh, wait, what you doing? Like when they go wop, 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 cause then they pop back up. I love dealing with her.
I love dealing with her.
And then they been hitting.
Oh, it
She
is?
on my nerves. That's why I like her.
Okay.
I ain't got no TikTok. Everything on Instagram late. I don't like
back up.
sister, bro.
Yeah,
I
me
be
neither.
trying not to say nothing. Hey, Dominique. Why Destiny up in here talking like she wants smoke from you or something? Say everything she like you say is old. I said, now you know if Dominique was in here, you wouldn't be talking. No, you wouldn't be talking.
Just playing.
Grouch off and say, I don't care nothing about the frown.
Using the cool setting on the blow dryer and the Ebin lace adhesive spray, she's laying down my lace. She likes to do it in sections versus kind of spraying the entire thing.
You that thirsty, bro, because you finna flatten out the whole bar. That is not no Capri Sun.
That's the only way I can do it without
You need some electrolytes.
without leaning my head back too much while you doing my
Thirsty,
hair.
you sucking in air.
I do be thirsty.
Gotta have your daily vitamin C put. Oh, be tightening it.
I love dealing with her. I'm kind of just combing into the lace, and then if you get it anywhere that you don't want it, she's just taking alcohol and wiping that away. And the cool setting basically helps to kind of lay the lace down.
Mine want to be a Kappa.
Shout out to the Kappas.
Song, bro. I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh, they look good.
Why I always do the, you know what I'm saying? Why I
You know
don't
what
ever
I'm
finish my sentence?
So I know you can see my braids in the back. We kind of took and lay that once she's done. That way it's not like pulling against you while you're trying to lay the lace. Okay, so with the edges, can I get the just two here and two in the end?
That's how I do the middle.
Such a YouTuber. Oh, I needed some Beyonce win now. I know I'm in good hands, so I just like to come and enjoy myself and just let her do her thing. We'll be using the Gorilla Gel to lay the edges. What's that you're doing there?
Cutting your edge.
They said they like how detailed you were last time. So after taking out one section and trimming that, she's going to use the Gorilla Gel and kind of just swoop that into place, going back and forth between the brush side and the comb side. Going to do one more near the ear tabs. To avoid having that super blunt cut on your edges, I noticed for a more effortless type of lay with the swoop, Boom kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but she cuts in a way to where it's not blunt. That way when you swoop it back, it's not so harsh, if that makes sense. I don't know what you did to my edges last time. I didn't have to touch them for like 4 or 5
Gorilla snot.
I just was tying my hair up and just popping out, snatching my butt
You
out.
move a lot, baby.
Oh, okay.
Whole lot. Baby, I don't know who told that girl to do all that movement.
I like the way you did my edges last time. It was really nice.
Don't know
Wait,
what it
this,
is.
I gotta say this. Looking at Boom, what's the word A-I-R? So Boom, which is air. Boom told
Air.
Lincoln to sound it out. She got mad because she couldn't sound it out.
I is
I
I.
said, Boom,
I is
what's
in.
the A sound?
I know it's I, but I'm saying air. I, in, er. You can't sound it out.
Where does in the word er is a long A. It's
That's
long.
what I said. Dominic told me a short one.
No, it's a long A. Er.
I said, Boom, what's that?
Yeah.
Wait, the IR is the root of it though.
Hold on, wait. How do you say it?
The IR is the root of air.
Out.
If you're trying to sound it out to somebody,
IR is the root.
Long A. Long I.
I hated the long, short, long, short.
So say it, that's
I.
pronounce
Air is
Hey,
hair.
you remember that from between the lines?
the moral of
Ooh.
the story.
Should I hold my ear? Do I need to hold my ear?
Boom felt
Girl, this
so
ain't your
bad.
mama's hard
She
come.
just said,
And then you say
Air
one more
is-
thing, and I'm gonna bust that leg up.
don't get mad, Mickey, you can have your son.
Don't get mad at me, cause you can't help an old lady across the street. How about that? And you sit still, baby, cause I'm gonna pop you, cause I'm your mama daughter, and I want that to be known.
Okay.
Acting like I wasn't up in 𝐃𝐄𝐈𝐑. I was in honors.
Air is sound. It's the same thing as H-E-I-R.
But I'm saying, sounding it out, I felt weird.
Hello? How do you sound out air?
With a gate, a sound gate.
What is you talking
He's
about?
such a musician.
Look, Greg is really
A sound
smart.
gate blocks out air.
Sound out air right now. If
You
some,
don't want to hear the bird in the background.
no, the
That's mine. Talking about the microphone.
A-I-R.
Hang up the phone.
So I do that on my
Sound
editing. You can block out the sound out with the gate.
Listen to Joyo. What is it?
Ayer, you ain't said mayor. Turn on the ayer for me.
Oh, you making them symmetrical. That's what
Yeah.
that was for.
Mm.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
We should do that, y'all.
That's sex, and you want her phone number?
She failed.
Do you want her phone number?
You
Yes
want
or
my phone
no?
number?
You want
my
her phone
number?
number or you want Instagram? Put them two different things.
You want my phone number? You want to follow me on Instagram? Which one?
Well, she look like phone number on Instagram.
What does it give you?
Or Snapchat. Don't ask for the Snapchat. That's ooh, you looking bad.
Y'all just look good. That's right.
Yeah, you know how D-side do.
Hey Siri.
Siri, ping my AirPods. That's all I ask her. So when I ask her something remotely educational,
Like
she
it?
freezes up.
Baby.
I-R is the root. I'm telling y'all.
Breathing fresh. Depending on what little kids ask you, though, they can make you feel real bad.
Now, one day I was on it.
I like it.
Mouthwash first or brush your teeth first?
A pre-wash.
Mouthwash, brush, tongue brush, mouthwash.
You
But
right,
if
see,
it's
you floss
nighttime,
on one time.
because you ain't asked about floss.
No,
You asked about.
I just asked.
See, that's how I like talking to Dominique.
Mm-hmm.
So you ain't saying nothing about no phone.
You see what I'm saying?
Now
That's how
she
she
gotta
be
take it
twisted
and
up
run with
stuff.
it.
Talking about me.
Cause that leg twisted up. She want everything to be twisted up.
Mm.
Crooked leg. What's the boy with the legs from South Park? That's you. Crooked leg. Crooked leg. Crooked leg.
Well, I know you was going there. Y'all
I'm sorry,
should've
nigga.
talked-
I try to.
You guys
make
should have
feel
talked
good.
bad about your sister.
I got
My
I'm only
sister-
talking because she can't get up and beat me. That's why.
She can't do that.
That's why I feel comfortable.
come in the bar.
It's giving beauty shop vibes,
You
so
basically
enjoy.
making
Our generation different from y'all's, mama. We just talk about anything.
Yeah, that's not
That's
embarrassing.
not,
for us.
yeah, that's not TMI.
We make
just-
things normal because.
Okay, so now that the lace is laid, we're going to tie that down. This is the before. This is the kinky straight. Before we flat iron it, this is what it's giving. So she's using a 2-inch Remington flat iron, probably on high. This is her flat ironing the hair in real time before I speed it up. And when you have kinky straight hair, it's basically giving you texture. It's kind of giving, y'all remember when like, well, some people still may do it, where you would go from relaxed to changing your mind and then leaving a little texture. You would call it text-laxed. So this kind of reminds me of like text-laxed hair straightened out, or relaxed hair blown out. Like, I love the texture that's still within this wig. We know it's a wig, we know that it's lace, but as close as we can get to our own natural hair blown out, the texture and the wave, I love it. So towards the roots, she's taking this 𝐿𝐼. This one is like a curling iron and flat iron in one. So she bumps the roots with that, and then she grabs the Remington one on high, and she kind of passes that through, chasing it with the comb that WowAfrican provided, and then that's it again in real time. She did like one pass because she goes really slow. Even when she straightens out my own natural hair, she does like one pass and it does what it needs to do because she's going slow. So now after that, she's taking some of the gorilla snot and she's kind of rubbing that along that top part to kind of tame the flyaways.
This is gorilla snot.
That was my favorite part of the last video. And she's going to make sure that my part is perfectly in the middle. My little sister pays special attention to details, and I love that about her. Like, she's so precise, and she's gonna make sure that her work is always on point. Yeah, my braids are a little bit big, I'm not gonna lie. So if your braids are flatter than mine, then yours will lay like, ooh, yes, really flat. But yeah, I didn't feel like taking my hair down, washing it, redoing the braids, because I'm probably gonna wear this style for about a week, and then I'll let my hair back out again. Be precise again. I could never. What J. Cole say? It's a big difference.
Yeah, your braids feels up.
They're getting older and older and older.
My joint so flat, I looked in the mirror with my braids, I thought I was bald head.
Going into the parting space with this LA Colors. It's a pressed powder. This one is in bronze. So she said this is from Dollar Tree. Y'all might want to pick this up because look at the part. What? That looks so good.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, D-side did it again.
Okay.
What that do, D-side?
You know when I sprayed the lace spray right there, I was just combing this up so it didn't look like tight down on
like
your
stuck
head.
to my forehead.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's brush back, but I was combing it up. Basically freeing it because it was glued down.
Clearly, we trust the process and know that we're in good hands, but y'all know that feeling when everything is like coming together and they're almost done and you looking like, ooh, like you can see yourself in the mirror and it's like, wait, look at me. What's that?
Oil sheen.
Oil sheen.
Look what I got. Give me a spoon.
Ooh, wait till I beat my face.
Yeah, you look real pretty with color put.
Oh, thank you, boo.
I don't know why you ain't been trying colors.
I'm gonna start doing more color. Thumbs the video up for more color hair. Okay, so this is the Anastasia Contour Kit in Tan to Deep, and she was using the one in the middle.
I use the light one in the middle. I like to go a little darker for the one that's around the edges because most of the time you do makeup, you always bronze around your hairline anyway. So
Okay.
you don't want that light around.
Okay, so here's a quick before to show you all before we do the pressed powder. And since I skipped the cap, this will also help to kind of just make sure that that blends a little bit more. Since my own hair is black, most people would do like a stocking cap method before. But I like this method of just going straight in with the wig on top of the braids. Thank you so much to my sister Boone for doing my hair and taking time out of her busy schedule to like include me in the day and all of my shenanigans and the WowAfrican conversations. Like I really enjoy, if not for anything else, just like spending that time with my sister. WowAfrican did an amazing job on this hair color. I did not dye this hair at all myself. It came straight out of the box like this and it looks so good. So a few days later, I went ahead and did my makeup, got all dressed up for you all. So these are the lashes that WowAfrican sent as well. This lash glue liner, this is game changer. So it's like a liner and a lash glue all in one. Let me just show y'all. Watch this. I'm messing up my wing. So then, once you put the lash liner glue on, you just put the, swing this way with me, please. Thank you. You apply the lash glue the same way you would apply it if it was just a regular eyeliner, except it's like a glue at the same time, so it's gonna hold your lashes in place. This is game changer. Boom. Kiss did not miss with this. That easy. I'm telling you, you need this. And this is how my hair turned out. I did kind of touch up a little bit just from like tying my hair down nightly to make sure that it was still laid and looking good. I really like the way the color looks on me. This is the back. Okay, yeah. Stiff wear. Blondes have more fun. The reds are never forgotten. Don't ever forget that. I love the hair. I love the texture that's within it because it makes it, obviously we know it's a wig. We know lace is lace. But the kinky texture of a wig like this really gives it like a more natural look. And I feel like if I was to curl it, which I am eventually, stay tuned so y'all can see it in the vlog. I feel like this hair curly. Oh baby, look at the edges. These side on the edges, what? I messed that little part up in the shower, but yeah, mind your business. Look, shout out to Instagram fam for picking out the earrings for the day. 20 inches, 20 or better. I'm really feeling myself and my hair. When you get your hair done, and I did my makeup this morning, this afternoon, it just makes you feel good. Like when you dress up, you feel good about yourself, and I feel amazing. I feel like I look amazing like this. Again, special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. If you all like this hair and you want to check out WowAfrican, I will have all of the details in the description box down below and a coupon code. I'll put it right over here on the screen for you all. That way y'all can save some money on your purchase and have your hair laid and slayed and looking good all 2023. And that's it. That's it for the video. Yeah. I ain't gonna say too much because really I don't gotta say nothing. I just get to walk in and it's giving, you see me. You see me. Act like you ain't see me. Hello. Yeah.
Like a rubber band, and we just having fun, girl. I can't be your man, and that's just how I'm living. Money and pretty